This video demonstrates how you can create a data series of days of the week and months of the year by voice in a Google Sheets document using DragonSpeechTips Work and Study Bundle. Wake up. Insert Monday to Sunday right. Insert Wednesday to Friday down. Move left 8. Insert September to August right. Insert April to June down. Go to sleep. DragonSpeechTips Work and Study Bundle adds thousands of advanced voice commands for Microsoft Office applications, popular web browsers and Google Workspace applications. Boost productivity, reduce cognitive load, and supercharge the way you use Dragon Professional.